If you want to bring together your financials and non-financial data into one place, then great news, you can do this in Joiin. So a common example here might be looking at the number of sales divided by the number of sales reps in a team. So let's have a look at how we might achieve that. So we'll head on over into settings and to non-financial data. And we can bring this data in at the moment with one of these templates. We're very soon going to be creating an API into other software, so we'll have that kind of automatic link as well. You can choose from one of our existing templates. We've got a technology, services, software as a service example here, but I've got a file already that I'm gonna drop in. So I'm gonna drag that one across that I've already filled in. And I've brought in my number of people in my sales team, and I'm happy, and I'm gonna save those changes. And now let's go and have a look at how we create some KPIs and put that on our dashboard. So again, we'll go to settings and to layouts. And from here, we can create a new layout. I'm going to choose to create it on one of my KPI sheets. And I'm going to begin building this KPI with this formula. So we'll come to add up here, new formula, and we're going to call this sales rep. And then we're going to make sure that we tick this one as available as a KPI so that we can choose it from our KPI library later on. And we're going to take our total revenue, and then we're going to divide that one by sales reps, sales team size. There we go. So we're going to accept that one and save that layout. And now we'll go on over to dashboards and show you how we can bring that one into the dashboards. So I'll go and select and start from my blank dashboard over here. I'll begin and create my widget. I'll choose from my custom KPI library. And I now should be able to come into here and choose the layout that I've just created and the sales per rep KPI. And then I can plot this on a chart. So I'm going to look at it on a line chart here. I'm going to add a few more of these data points and designs for the chart just to improve those visuals there. And I'll save that one. And now that will bring in my KPI. And I can then resize, change this one, customize it in any way that I wish. And now we've got my total sales divided by my number of sales reps. And you can see obviously there's a bit of a change between the April and September there. The sales team are obviously doing very well there. This is available within Joiin on all plans and on your trial version of Joiin, so jump in and give it a go and let us know what you think.